So this is an old video that I did a little while ago. I just keep forgetting to upload it. So I've already done my face. I'm just doing the contoured or the final touches of my face. So I'm just contouring my face right now. And everywhere you put your contour, I use the It's Your Face foundation stick in dark coffee to contour my face, and I'm just blending that out with a beauty blender sponge. I felt like I needed a little bit more. I want my cheekbones to pop a little bit more, so I did go in and use some more and just blended it out. Then I set my entire face with a It's Your Face loose powder, and then I use a clean brush to just blend it all out. Then I use the It's Your Face press powder palette to it's like a contour highlight palette, and I just use that to set the contoured areas of my face. And I'm using a elf brush to do that, and I'm using it everywhere that I had put the dark foundation before, and I'm using it It's Your Face big blush, and I'm just highlighting my cheeks. I did my lips, and after I did my lips, I just use a clean brush to take off the excess that got on the outside. Then I'm using some lash Candy Co lashes. You can check her out. This is from the Blind MUA here on Instagram, and I use her lashes all the time. I like her lashes. You can reuse the lashes because they're so good. So I use her lashes all the time. I don't remember which ones I'm using right now, but you can check her out, guys, and you'll see what she has. So I tried a couple of different wigs on, and I felt like this red one was, the hit. So yeah, this is the final look.